Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we're working on a Ferrari 348. So we've had the vehicle in the workshop. The customers took it back to Ferrari for its annual service. They've done their vehicle health check, reported that some of the suspension bushes cracked and perished, just down to its age really, on the rear. So we've removed near side and offside rear, lower and upper wishbones. We've completely took them back to the original condition in our Aquablasted machine in the shop. Replaced all the bushes, gone for some Powerflex bushes in there, and then where we can get the Powerflex we've gone for genuine Ferrari bushes. Shock absorbers on the front, the coilovers, we've replaced the bushes in the bottom. They was from Ferrari. Actually really easy to get parts for, genuine parts, which was nice. I'll leave the link in the description below, but everything's online, and it's all here next day, which is great service. We had a few issues with the fitment on the Powerflex bushes on the rear, but after speaking to them, they've now removed them from their site, I believe, because there's a bit of a fitment issue with a certain year of this model, I believe. So that's all rectified now, so hopefully no one will have that issue. And yeah, it's been nice to work on. Lovely car, great condition. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep uploading some more vehicle repairs like this one. Some more videos on the Aquablast machine in the shop. Vixen unit, great bit of kit.